Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 6 September 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Misra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. Those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Let's proceed. This was our previous day questions. Our first question was, what is the rank of India in Global Innovation Index 2020? 40, 45, 35, option D 48. The correct answer here is 48. Option D is correct here. In Global Innovation Index 2020, the rank of India is 48. Previously it is 52 and but recently it is 48. Okay. The first position is achieved by Switzerland. The first rank is achieved by Switzerland. Second rank is achieved by Sweden, and third rank is achieved by USA. And our country India is in 48th position. Okay. Our second question was, which state has appointed India's first ever women ambulance driver? Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Goa. The correct answer here is option A, Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu has appointed India's first ever woman ambulance driver. The name of the driver is M. Viralakshmi. M. Viralakshmi is the first woman driver of Tamil Nadu, of also India also, because Tamil Nadu is the first state in India to appointed woman ambulance driver. Okay. The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Chief Minister is E.K. Palaniswamy, and Banwari Lal Purohit is the governor of Tamil Nadu. I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, International Day of Charity is observed on 4th September, 5th September, 6th September, option D 7th September. The correct answer here is 5th September. On September 5, International Day of Charity is observed. Who celebrates the International Day of Charity? United Nations. UN celebrates the on 5th September International Day of Charity. This day is recognized the role played by the charity in reducing the humanitarian crisis. Okay. Also in 5th September, Teachers Day also celebrates in India. And remember one thing, the World Teacher Day is observed on 5th October. World Teacher Day is observed in 5th October. Okay. I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Which government has rolled out I Rakhwali app? Punjab, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Rajasthan. The correct answer here is Punjab. Option A is correct here. The Punjab government has rolled out I Rakhwali app to ensure the greenery and to protect environment of Punjab. To protect environment of Punjab, recently Punjab government has announced I Rakhwali app. And who is in the image now? It is here the Chief Minister of Punjab, Captain Amrinder Singh. Okay, and Governor of Punjab is BP Singh Badnoor. BP Singh Badnoor is the Governor of Punjab, and the capital of Punjab is Chandigarh. Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Ayushman Khurrana is appointed as brand ambassador of which life insurance company? SBI Life, SDFC Life Insurance, Bajaj Allianz, option D none of these. The correct answer here is Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance. Option C is correct here. Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance Company Limited has appointed Bollywood actor Ayushman Khurrana as its brand ambassador. Okay, and the MD and CEO of Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance Company is Tarun Chugh. Tarun Chugh is the MD and CEO of Bajaj Allianz. Okay, you can see the image of Ayushman Khurrana here. He recently appointed as the brand ambassador of the Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance Company Limited. Okay, next question. Question number 4. Union Minister of Education has launched a mobile app named Exam Warriors, English Pro, My Education. Option D none of these. The correct answer here is English Pro. Option B is correct here. Union Minister of Education Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank has launched a free mobile application named English Pro. Okay, It is developed by the English and Foreign Language University in Hyderabad. It is developed in, and recently you can see the image of Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, our education minister here. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who has become the first cricket ambassador of SBOTOP sports book brand? Sachin Tendulkar, Dwayne Bravo, option G James Anderson, option D Hardik Pandya. As per you see the image of Dwayne Bravo here, the correct answer here is option B, Dwayne Bravo. West Indies cricket legend Dwayne Bravo has become the first cricket ambassador for SBOTOP sports book brand. Okay, Dwayne Bravo. Also, recently Dwayne Bravo is in news because Dwayne Bravo is the first cricketer to taking 500 wickets in T20. In T20, in T20 cricket. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. A book, the title book of Green Notch is published by whom? UNEP, UNICEF, UNESCO, option D IMF. The correct answer here is UNEP. Option A is correct here. United Nations Environment Program. The abbreviation of UNEP is United Nations Environment Program. The Little Book of Green Notch has been launched by UNEP. Okay, it is published by UNEP, and the director of the UNEP is Inger Ederson. Inger Ederson is the director of UNEP. Okay. Next question. Who has launched a Chuck Dickoff to decontaminated N95 mask? IIT Bombay, IIT Kanpur, IIT Kharagpur, option D IIT Delhi. The correct answer here is IIT Delhi. Option D is correct here, IIT Delhi. Recently, IIT Delhi startup Chakra Innovation has launched the Chakra Deco to decontaminated N95 masks, and they utilize the high penetrability of ozone gas. They use the high penetrability of the ozone gas for cleaning the pores of the N95 mask. Okay. Question number 8. Which state has constituted a 7-member committee to look into National Education Policy 2020? Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, option D Odisha. The correct answer here is Tamil Nadu. Option B is correct here. Tamil Nadu government has constitute a 7-member panel to look into the National Education Policy 2020. As per you know, National Education Policy 2020 is already launched, and the human MHRD name also changed to Education Ministry, and recently I told that Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank is our education minister now, and recently National Education to revise or to examine the National Education Policy 2020, a 7-member constituted committee is established by Tamil Nadu. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Which is the second largest road network of world? China, USA, India, Japan. The correct answer here is India. Option C is correct here. India has now the second largest road network of the world. Okay, per day average 30 km per day it is constituted, and India is now second largest road network of world. So who is the first largest road network of the world? US. US is the first largest network of the world. India is second position, and China is in third position. Okay, remember this question is very much important in exam perspective view. Next question. Last question of the today's session is, where researchers have found low ozone level in India? Brahmaputra River Valley, Gangetic region, Western Ghat, option D none of these. The correct answer here is Brahmaputra River Valley. Option A is correct here. Researchers have found that the concentration of the near surface ozone in Brahmaputra River Valley in the northeast corner of India is low. Okay, and it is published in Atmospheric Pollution Research article or magazine. It is published. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. This is our question of the day. You have to answer in the comment section and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Our first question is, who chaired the BRICS Cultural Minister meeting? Our second question is, Raj Srivastava appointed as India's next ambassador to which country? Please try to answer more in comment section. Thereby regular practice is done by you. Okay. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. And those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thereby you can get the notification very fast. Thank you. Have a great day.